Hello, welcome to my trading channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the most profitable strategy to use in trading forex on binary option platform. So before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. So first of all, we'll be changing the chart type to candles. Then we'll change the candle time to 1 hour. Then you go to open new asset, you go to Forex, then you click on EURUSD, then we just cancel this. So you go to indicators, you type in moving average, then you change this to 50 moving average, leave this at SMA, change this to red, change this to gold, and you apply. You go to indicators again, type in moving average, you change this to 15, change the color to blue, and you apply. You go to indicators again, moving average, change this to 10, change the color to green, then you apply. So these are the 3 moving averages we'll be using today. So you zoom out, then you zoom in. So how this strategy works: when you want to trade with this strategy, anytime you see this green moving average and the blue moving average crosses this red moving average, you sell. Anytime you see this blue moving average and the green moving average crosses above this red moving average, you buy. Anytime you see them cross, you buy and you sell. When you want to trade with this strategy, you don't just buy, you don't just sell. Before trading with this strategy, you go to your time, you change this to daily candle, daily chart, then you look for where at the cross here, then you put a line here, then you change this to 4 hours. So you go to 4 hours chart, you see the cross here, then you go to 1 hour chart, you see the cross here. Okay, so now we'll be using 1 hour candle to trade this strategy, but also we'll be using a guide of 4 hours candle for this trade. So how to trade this strategy: you open 2 charts, a 4-hour chart and also a 1-hour chart that you use to enter your trade. So this is it. So at the 4 hours chart, you see this successfully cross, the blue and the green successfully cross the red moving average. Then you go to the 1 hour chart, it has not crossed yet. You now wait for opportunity for the 1 hour chart to cross blue, because in the 4 hours chart it's already telling us that they're in a downward trend. So you wait now for opportunity for the 1 hour to sell. So it crosses here. You can see it's still in a downtrend. Then you sell immediately at this candle. You put your stop above this red moving average here. Then you see it went. So at the cross of these candles here, you are out of the market. It crosses here, crosses here, then you go to your 4-hour chart. It's still in an uptrend, so you don't sell there. You wait for a signal to come up at the 4-hour chart. So you wait. Then it came back again and crosses here. Then you see you are still up. So in your 4-hour chart, you are still in an uptrend. And at the break of this candle, it's showing you that the trade is about to move down. And you sell here. You can see you made money, you made some profit. So when you see something like this already out of the market, then you wait again. It's not a good trade. You wait for a better signal to come. See a cross like this again. Cross below. You check your 4 hours candle, it's still up. Then you wait again, you see a cross here like this. You check your 4 hours candle. There's a cross. There's a cross of the candles. You sell immediately, or you wait for this to cross before selling. So you can see you still made some money, but you would have made a lot of money when at the cross of these candles here. You have made a lot of money from here. See, so you wait again for it to cross above. Wait for it to cross above. Check your 4 hours chart. It's still in a downward movement, so you don't buy. So you wait again. You wait again for it to cross below. It crosses below here. Crosses below here. Then you see you are still in a downward movement. You sell immediately. You sell immediately. You can see you are still in the money. So at the cross of this here, you're out of the market. You're out of the market, and you see a cross up like this again. Check your 4 hours. It's still in a downward movement. So you avoid the trade to wait for another retracement, or you just avoid it. So see the cross here again below. Then you look at your 4 hours candle. You see the candles are up. The green moving average is up, the blue is still down. So you avoid taking a trade here, you avoid taking a sell trade here. You wait for a better signal before taking any trade. So you see a cross here again. You check, you see the green and the blue moving average are still above, but the candles are down. You either sell or you avoid it because this is showing you that you are in a sideways movement, so you avoid taking a trade here. And avoid taking a trade here, or you can risk it. So you see a cross here. Well, after seeing this candle here, this long, very long candle here, you avoid taking any trade here because why? This is showing you that the market will soon be going the other way. So you avoid taking a trade here. So you wait for the retracement signal. It's something like this, a cross here. You go to the 4 hours candle. You see that the candles are down, but the blue and green moving average are still up. So you wait for them to cross before selling, or you can just take a risk and sell, or you wait. You see a cross here. They are still up. You wait for the cross. They crossed here. Then see the candles is already inside this moving average. So you wait for the candle to retrace back again before selling. So it went up, it crossed here again. Then you check your 4 hours candle. See the moving average are still down. So you wait. You don't sell, you don't buy, you don't sell. Then you wait for it to cross again. So at the cross here, check your 4 hours candle. Yeah, it's still down. Then you sell. You see, you're in money. So this is how to trade this strategy. So it's very easy to trade and very, very profitable. So trades you need to avoid with this strategy: when you see a sideways movement like this, you don't trade. You don't trade in a sideways movement, in a sideways market. And also avoid when you see long candles like this, you avoid it. And also don't trade without checking your 4 hours chart to know the direction of the market before trading. And also always check your risk reward before placing a trade. So thanks for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop a comment below at the comment section. I'll gladly answer you.